to make a difference. You and me. Business ethics.
Business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics,
In the hustle and bustle where money's getting up, ethics matters, not a shame. To treat people right, honest and true, yeah. That is what we gotta do. World of business where profits are the goal. Ethics matters to keep a steady soul. Honesty and fairness should be our guide. Treat everyone with respect, no matter what.
business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, so that foreigners do not cheat and do not play the game. Let the goodies really flow from the office street and every sari store. Let the message all be clear. World of business, where profits are the goal. Ethics matter, you to keep a steady soul. Honesty and fairness should be our guide. Treat everyone with respect, no matter what.
Business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics.
Hey, wanna know more about business ethics? Then come over. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
World of business, where profits are the goal. Ethics matter, you to keep a steady soul. Honesty and fairness should be our guide. Treat everyone with respect, no matter what. Business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics,
Business ethics,
business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics, business ethics.
The world of business is oftentimes seen as an immoral world. It is viewed as a world solely driven by the profitable motive, and business people are often portrayed as ruthless, self-interested individuals.
Everyone, I will be checking your outputs one by one. What is this? What is this?
Oh, hi, Joel. It's my design.
Are you serious?
Of course. What do you mean?
Have you seen your output? It's ridiculous.
Ridiculous?
Look at it.
Well, I'm just joking.
I told you. No kidding around.
One might thus wonder how business and ethics can coexist. One of the principal tasks of ethics is to enforce the values of justice and fairness in situations where there are grave abuses of power and gross imbalance in the allocation of resources between people that are meant to share them.
I call upon this meeting because your outputs were trash.
Trash? We even did our best.
And your best wasn't enough.
Wasn't enough.
You didn't show your full potential. Even I could draw this with my eyes closed.
Enough! I already have the proof here. You, being irresponsible and unprofessional, I have the proof here. Your dishonesty is not needed in this company.
Nonsense. I have been nothing but
Silence.
honest and
I already have the proof. No need to lie. Miss Jubel, you are fired.
I won't accept this.
Get out!
I won't accept this. I won't accept this.
Haha, buti na sa'yo.
Business as an enterprise directed towards the accumulation and growth of profit is prone to many unethical practices, especially by those who occupy the seats of power of corporations. Anong gagawin mo kapag matatalo ka na? Dadaya ka ba para manalo? Na kahit alam mo sa sarili mo, hindi ito tama. Magpapatukso ka ba sa hindi makatarungang gawain? At kung gagawin mo man, hindi ka ba natatakot sa karma?
All in.
Fold.
Fold.
And Mr. Lagura's cards are 5 blue, 6 blue, 7 blue, 9 blue, forming a straight flush. Therefore, Mr. Lagura win.
Laging tandaan, ng masamang gawain ay humahantong sa masamang bunga.
Tell the dealer that I need 8 blue. Yes, sir. Copy that. We will give you 10,000 if the next number is blue 8.
Let the lies be uncovered by the truth.
This game is rigged. This casino is known to be just and fair. But you as dealer broke that rule. Mark my words, you will lose your job because you took bribery from a customer. This is so unprofessional and unethical.
Gagawin mo ba ang hindi makatarungan? Hika nga nila, honesty is the best policy. At ang pagiging patas ay mahalaga para sa tiwala at respeto. At laging tandaan, ang tunay na tagumpay ay nagmumula sa patas na pagsisikap, hindi sa pandaraya. We might enjoy buying things online and be deceived of the products that they are selling.
Fast delivery, full product, good quantity, good quality, good scent, very satisfied.
Very fast delivery, well packed, cheap to buy again.
The product is very good for use, very satisfied with the quality. Cheap, but got a lot of items. Wrapped quite carefully, delivered quickly, with the free eyeshadow. I don't know if there is a irritation, but in general, the pressure is okay.
You might buy the product because of the good feedback and comment. But what if the advertisement is a fraud?
Hello dear followers and loyal customers of Bella Moda. So it is currently 7:15 p.m. So we will start our live selling later at exactly 7:20 p.m. Para marami-rami yung viewers natin. Ate, pa-shoutout po. Hello Eli, good evening. Hello din sa'yo, good evening po. Hello, thank you for the stickers. Thank you sa gift. Okay, so now it is currently 7:20, exactly 7:20. So we will start our live selling. Our first product, our beauty product for today is this vinyl lipstick from Maybelline. So the original price of this is $499, and I will be selling this for only $200. This is the shade 10, which is Sleepy, and I will swatch it on my wrist. So this is the shade. So mine yun na guys. Ganda po nito, promise. Okay, so may nag-mine na. A lot of miners. Okay, so our second
Ate, nagla-live na yung Bella Moda. Patingin nga. Wow! Ang ganda naman. Order tayo, ate. Sige, imay mo lang.
may nag-mine na sa Maybelline lipstick. The first product is yours, Stephanie. Congratulations.
Oh, namay mo natin.
Mocha. This is the product. I will swatch it on my wrist to show you the shade. It's this pretty second shade over here. So mine yun na guys, the original price to this one is, actually this is 400, but I am going to sell this for only 150. Mine yun na. Okay, so there are a lot of miners na. Okay, you're the first miner, Albert. Congratulations for bagging the first product. Now, our last product for today is this YOU. This is actually a blurring powder. So this is a nude loose powder to set your makeup. So this is the puff inside, and this is the products. I mean the powder, sorry. So the original price to this is actually 559, but I'm just going to sell this for 300 pesos. Come on, mind you na guys, this is actually good for students. This is good for students. Okay, so the first miner is Eliza. Congratulations, Eliza, for bagging this powder, loose powder. Okay, so that concludes my live selling today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for buying some of my products. Thank you.
Tao po. Tao po.
Ayan.
Ba nakatira si Stephanie Gaitera?
Opo. At tayo. Nandito na yung parcel mo. Nandito na pala yung parcel. Magkano po?
200 pesos lang po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Ate, buksan mo na.
Ba't ang tigas naman dito?
Hello. Ano to? Ano to? Lipstick yung in-order natin? Bakit mas? Tas may butas. Tingnan mo nga. Ano ba yan? May butas. Bakit scam tayo, te? Na-scam tayo.
Grabe naman yung seller.
I-report natin. Kaya pala, tingnan mo nga sa halagang 200 pesos. Ay, naku. I-report natin yan. Ano ba itong dumating? Lipstick ang aming in-order, ang dumating, mas na may malaking butas. Sand. Pati yung seller, i-report natin. Report natin seller.
The moral lesson of false advertising is that honesty and transparency is essential to gain customers' trust. And being truthful in advertising shows respect for customers and builds a strong, trustworthy brand. Good business is based on honesty, which leads to long-term success. And always remember that not all the time what you see is what you get. Let me tell you a story of mine. Pagod na ako magtrabaho. Halos wala na nga akong oras sa sarili ko eh. Trabaho dito, trabaho doon. Parang wala na akong karapatan magpahinga. I need the financial report ASAP. Yes sir, I'm looking at it right now. Just give me 1 minute to finalize this report. Nakikinig ka ba? I need it right now. Another workload. Tama ba tong pinasukan ko? Parang sinasadya na tong ginagawa sa akin. May magagawa pa ba kaya ako? Overtime na naman ba? Okay lang sana kung pinaghahatian ng patas ang trabaho. Uwian na sa wakas. Kaso nga lang, hindi pa ako pwedeng umuwi. Konting tiis na lang. Uuwi na sana ako. Hindi naman ito bago. Tama pa ba ito? Halatang mamamatay ako sa ginagawa ko dito. Sa lahat ng pagod, oras, at pawis na binigay ko, yun lang ang sasahurin ko. Sa katotohanan, maraming manggagawa ang nakaranas ng mababang sahod, walang sapat na benepisyo, at mahirap na kondisyon sa trabaho. Minsan, pinipilit silang magtrabaho ng lagpas sa tinakdang oras na walang karampantang bayad. O hindi kinikilala ang kanilang karapatan sa seguridad sa trabaho at makatarungang pagtrato.